How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Guys, I'm almost at 1,900 subscribers. So if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. But yeah, I guess just like that, the car show season is almost coming to an end. I got 2 more car shows left. I have one tomorrow, which is on a Sunday. And then I will be going to one more from Thrown by Import Expo. That's going to be an indoor car show. That's going to be next week. So hopefully I'll see some of you guys over there. But yeah, let's go ahead and take the Lexus out and give her a nice wash, get her all ready for the car show tomorrow. And I'll take you guys along with me as I show you guys some of the cars over there too. So let's take her outside right now. All right, what's up, guys? I'm here at the car show now. I got my car all set up. Way back there, I'm not sure if you guys can see it or not, but I'll give you guys a closer look in a little bit. But yeah, I'm here at the car show now, so I'm gonna go ahead and shoot some cinematics for you guys so you guys can get a look of the car shows, of the cars that are here at the car show. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for the car show for today. I hope you guys enjoy the little bit of content that I was able to get for you guys. It was hot today. They met a lot of people, talked to a lot of people, and I came up with best of car show here. And I'm really thankful for that. Winning best of the show for the second time this year. It really means a lot to me that people could appreciate my art and appreciate the time and effort that I put into the build. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to enjoy life and go slow.